Chapter 6. Authority Directed Deference. Chapter 6 explains another strong rule. People often listen to an above authority. This is called the authority principle. In simple words, if someone looks like an expected, we believe them. If someone has power, we follow them. Why do we obey authority? From childhood, we learn. Listen to parents, follow teachers, respect leaders. This is important because it helps society work well. And authority can give knowledge, keep order, help people make decisions. But sometimes we avoid too much. Famous experiment Milgram study. Cialdini talks about a famous experiment by Stanley Milgram. In this experiment, people were told to give electric shock to another person. The shock looked dangerous. A scientist authority figure said, "Please continue." Result: many people continued even when they felt it was wrong. Why? Because they trust that authority. An important lesson this experiment shows: authority people or the ordinary people can do harmful things if an authority tells them to do it. This is very serious. Symbols of authority. We do not always check real knowledge. Instead, we look at the symbols. These symbols tell us this person is important. 1. Titles. Example: Doctor, Professor, Manager. People respect titles. Example: if a person called doctor, others listen more careful. 2. Clothes. Clothing shows authority. Example: uniforms, police, doctors, formal suit. People trust someone in a uniform for more than someone is in casual clothes. 3. Status symbols. As these are signs of success. Expensive car, big houses, luxury items. We think this person is successful, they must be right. Example: nurse experiment. In one study, a nurse got a phone call from a doctor. The doctor told her to give a dangerous dose of medicine, even though thought the order was not safe, the doctor was not present. Many nurses were ready to follow the order. Why? Because of the authority of the doctor. Danger of blind obedience. Authority is safe, but it can be dangerous if we do not think, do not question. We may make mistakes, follow wrong instruction, fake authority. Some people pretend to be experts. Example: actors in white coats in advertisements. People using titles without real knowledge. They use authority to influence another. Example: adversion. Ads often say experts experts recommend this product. Doctor choose this brand. Even if it is not fully true, people believe it. Automatic reaction to authority. Like other principles, authority works automatically. We often see a symbol, trust immediately. We do not always stop and think how to protect yourself. Cialdini gives simple advice. Ask 2 questions. 1. Is this person a real expert? Do they have true knowledge? Can we check their information? Two, can we trust this expert? Are they honest? Do they benefit from influencing us? Main idea of chapter 6. People tend to obey authority figures sometimes without thinking. What we learn from this chapter, we learn authority is very powerful. We trust experts and leaders. Symbols like titles and causes influence us. Blind obedience can be dangerous. We must think and ask questions.